Let's look at hyperlinks, because there is some skill to writing accessible hyperlinks. In general, we want to embed hyperlinks in the text that describes where the hyperlink leads. Students who use adaptive technologies can isolate a list of just the hyperlinks on a page. To support that action, we need to make sure that hyperlink text also makes sense out of context. Let's break this down and take a look at the 3 most common hyperlink errors. This hyperlink for the Writing Center spells out the whole URL. It looks clunky and takes up more space than it needs to. Worse, a screen reader user would have to listen to every character in this URL read aloud, which would sound something like this.
http://writing.umn.edu/sws/.
We can improve this hyperlink simply by embedding it in the text that describes where it leads. I'm going to select the text of Writing Center and use the keyboard shortcut to insert a hyperlink, which is Command-K on a Mac or Control-K on a PC. This shortcut works in Microsoft Word as well. But if you forget the shortcut, you can also do this by going to the Insert menu and choosing Link. Now I'll paste the hyperlink so it displays as part of the words. I'll go ahead and delete the long URL. Let's do the same thing back at the top of the syllabus, where the instructor listed the URL of the Moodle site for this course. Next issue is located in the Excused Absences section. Currently, this text reads, "Click here to see the CLA policy," with the link embedded in the words "click here." For screen reader users who hear a list of the links separate from the rest of the document, this "click here" will be decontextualized, and they'll actually have to follow the link to find out where it goes. Students who don't use a screen reader will also be slowed down because they'll need to read the text around this hyperlink in order to figure out where it goes. So this practice of using click here or tap here or read more language for hyperlinks just wastes everyone's time. We need to be more descriptive. I'm going to improve this link by clicking the Change button on the hyperlink dialog box. Now I have 2 options. I can change the text of the hyperlink or the link itself. I'll change the text of the link to CLA policy on excused absences and click the Apply button. Just need to alter the original sentence slightly to make it make more sense, and I'm done. Now it's really clear what information the student will find when they follow this link. The other common mistake we find in documents is links that are embedded in the wrong words. Down here in the Accommodations for Students with Disabilities section, the last line reads, "The Disability Resource Center provides information regarding student access, resources, and support," with the link embedded in the words "provides information." Again, if a screen reader user is reading this link out of context, they will only see the "provides information" and will need to follow the link to find out where it leads. So with this one, I might embed the hyperlink in the words Disability Resource Center, but on second thought, since the link is actually directly to the Student Services page of that site, a better option would be to embed the text in the second part of that sentence. Once again, I'll click the link and the Change button and change the text to "Information regarding student access, resources, and support."